Okay, back again with Windows 10 error. Instead of giving facilities, Windows 10 is keep on giving errors and errors, and today I will talk about the error called update for Microsoft Office 2010. This is the one most error most of the user and my friends has faced, and this error is because of two reasons. What I found I will share. It is because of mainly two reasons. First, that you are not using the Microsoft Office as a purchased or licensed version, and second, you are not using compatible bit either 32 or 64. To check what bit MS Office you are using, just go to search, type control panel, open it, and click on category, just small icon, and search it for mail. Yeah, it's here, mail. It will show you what bit you are using, 32 bit. And to check the properties, just press window X and search for system. It's here, and you will see the bit you are using, 64 bit. Okay, so if your system is 64 bit and you are using 32 bit, please change it to 64, and the error will be shown like this. Settings, and this is the error what might be some of the user is facing. And if you don't want to do that, change the MS Office, you want to use the features and the functionality what the MS Office is giving on, do one thing, just below this click on advanced option and uncheck this option, give me updates for other Microsoft products when I update Windows. So for the next time when you update your window, it will not show the Windows product, it will only show the Windows system updates to your system. It will not give to MS Office and other Windows product what you have installed on your system. And after rechecking my update, the error will be removed out from there. And one more error what we will be discuss is about the speak functionality and the sound problem. Just go to sound, right click on it and click on sounds, or you can directly go from it here. Just type here the sound and open it from here. And in some of the user asked me that we not able to record our voice in the good voice quality because just click on here, right click, properties, and come on level, and you can see here that microphone level is up to 20 only. You can increase it to whatever you want to keep, and many of the users change it, but still they are facing problem. I will tell you why. Just go to playback, click here speaker, right click on it, click on properties, and here also one level is for microphone. You have to increase it from here also. If you are not getting from there, you just come here on the speaker, right click on it, on properties and levels, just increase it, and you can do it from here, that your sound problem will be resolved. Or the most problem is what this, your PC ran into a problem that it could be handled. DPC watchdog violation error. This error is only because of the unsupported graphic driver installed on your system, especially AMD. I am using AMD, so I am very aware about this. Just go to the AMD official website, and or just go to Google, type AMD auto detect and click on the link AMD driver auto detect, and just click on it. It will redirect you to their page, and from there you can download their tool, AMD driver auto detect. It is just about 4.7 MB. It will take few minutes to download it depending on internet speed. Just click on it, install on it, and run. It will automatically install driver for your compatible. It will check your bit, it will check your screen, it will check your DPI, and it will install compatible driver. Just install it, clean install it first of all. Before installing AMD, please uninstall all the AMD features, then install AMD latest driver, and after that reinstall it completely, and this error will be seen no more. Okay, and for any more suggestion, any more queries, just visit to my blogging site www.solutiontoturnoff.wordpress.com. okay, stay tuned, keep watching, bye bye.